Hey, what's going on, you guys? My name is Walid. So 5 reasons why photographers need a website. We're going to go through that real fast. If you're a photographer who is professional, you need a website, and I'll tell you why. If you're a photographer who is a hobbyist hoping to become a professional, I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why. You don't want to miss this video. It's going to move fast and you're going to learn a whole bunch. So please click subscribe. I teach photographers how to make money. I teach photographers how to grow their business, how to get clients, and how to win. Reason number 1 why photographers need a website is because of distractions. And by the way, these are in no particular order. No distractions. If you're on Instagram, there are likes, there are DMs, there are Instagram lives, there are stories, there are comments that are going to distract people. There are ads that are meant to distract people. So why would you want your pictures to be in a place that the viewer is easily distracted? You want a website where there are no ads against you, where there are no comments landing on the screen, there are no DMs, there are no lives, and there are no likes happening. It's only about your work. So photographers, get a website because there are no distractions for the consumer who is looking at your work. Number 2, listen, Mark Zuckerberg does not care about you. Mark Zuckerberg does not care about me. Instagram, what they do is they take our pictures and they compress it. So it loses resolution, it loses sharpness, it loses its color, and you lose just by that. So Instagram is not necessarily the main space that your picture should be living. To truly see your artistry, your creativity, how you can help somebody grow, how you can help somebody look beautiful, help their business get branded, that has to live on your website. So it's not good for you, Instagram. I mean, keep your pictures on Instagram. I'm not saying take them off, but also put them on a professional website. People are hiring you for your eye and the beauty that you create. And the first thing Instagram does is shrink that. The potential of showing the beauty of your work, it's smaller, okay? So we want people to find your work on your website because the resolution is bigger, because it fills the entire screen. Look at all this real estate versus all of this little real estate. There is a huge difference between the screens. Number 3, presentation. This is my website. You get to see that I directed something from Mariah Carey, and you get to see fashion film. What else comes up? Volkswagen Motors, Tamar Braxton, all these different things. So when I go, this is how I want my work to be seen. Instagram doesn't exactly show you your work presentation. You get one picture, that's it. People are just flipping by real fast, and that's all. You don't get to actually show your work. This is a presentation. Instagram does not do that whatsoever. Now let's go into how my work is presented. You get to see, okay, are we looking at women? Are we looking at fashion? Let's look at the fashion. I get to dictate how big the pictures are. Actually, I'm gonna do a redesign on my website. Not the best example, but you get to see the presentation that I have with different people. So let's look at magazine shots that I have, different things. That's my presentation. I get to put a big magazine cover, or it gets to be a real tiny, small little bit of real estate. That right there is another main reason why you want to be able to have your work on a website. You want to make sure that people can see the full presentation of what you can do. All right? That's big. Number 4, it's a qualifier. So what happens is that when they're on Instagram and they like your work and then they want to check the bio and they want to click the link, that right there tells you, hey, they kind of love my work. So I want to take them off of Instagram, away from the distractions. I want to take them away from the compressed images, the bad resolution, and I want to take them to my website. When they come to your website, they have already told you, I love your work. I'm interested in finding out more about you. Let's see what you really got. You want to get them out of the Instagram feed. You want to get them away from the notifications, from the DMs, from the lives, from the messages, from the comments. You want to get them alone on your website. Now, when you do that, that's super important because whether they go to your website off of your phone or off of a desktop, it's you, it's alone. There's no distractions. This is how you close the deal. So that's another reason why you want to have a website. When people land on it, you know that they're pre-qualified and they're interested in learning more from you or about you or how they can hire you. The final one, the 5th reason is you don't ever really want to build your empire on rented land. So imagine building this beautiful home that you want, your dream home on someone else's land. They can kick you out anytime they want. They could change the rules anytime they want. They could take space away from you anytime they want. They could get rid of your stuff anytime they want because they own the land, not you. So you always want to make sure that you don't build your entire empire on someone else's land. On the website, Instagram cannot take away my website. YouTube cannot take away my website. TikTok, Clubhouse, Twitter, none of these platforms can take away your website. So you want to have that there. What goes up will come down, back up, back down. So at some point, Instagram may not be there. What are you going to do if everything was on Instagram and suddenly it's not there anymore? People don't go to Instagram anymore, and that's what you banked everything on. You can't do that, right? So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have your website. When you have your website, that gives you ability to collect emails. That gives you ability to design your work the way they need to be seen. You get to pick which pictures get to be seen. You get to put your contact information. You get to put about me. You get to put your galleries, everything, and put it in any order that you want. So those are 5 reasons why I want you to have a website. It doesn't cost much. It might be about $120 a year. That you can get in 1/3 of a client. That you can earn in assisting somebody for half of a day. Get a website. Don't underestimate the power of having a website. It's going to change your business. We have to invest in ourselves. We invest so much in other people's brands. We invest so much on other people's social media platforms, other companies' camera and gear. Invest in you. Have a home where your images live the way you want them to live, high resolution, the layout that you want, distraction free, notifications free, everything, and it's just your work. Here's a little bonus tip, by the way. At the end of every single gallery, you should have your contact information down. So they're on their phone and they're just scrolling. It's too much effort to hit the back button. Go back and find the tab that has the next gallery. Maybe you've convinced them on the first gallery. By the end of the first gallery, they came from Instagram and they're like, let me see what else he or she has. They look and they're like, oh my God, this is the photographer we need. Your email should be there. A phone number should be there. So I get to the bottom. I'm like, done. Let me click the link. Let me send a message right now. Okay, guys, if you learned something here, click subscribe somewhere down below. That helps the channel. You'll be alerted every single time I have a new video. Every one of my videos is supposed to make you a better photographer or a better business owner so you make more money from your photography. So click subscribe, hit the little bell. If you have a question, leave a comment down below. I read all of them and then I answer them. I would love it if you give this video a like. That supports the channel with the algorithm. And I'll have a video for you next week to help you grow your business, take better pictures, and that is it. All right, guys, my name is Walid Azami. Thank you so much. Watch this video if you want to learn more about photography marketing, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks so much.